Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear student of class 3. Hope you all will be fine. Welcome to your computer class. Dear student, today we are going to practical, in Microsoft Word program. So let's start. Dear student, open Microsoft Word program in your computers. Dear student, it is a Microsoft Word program. Now let's start. In previous videos, we have learned how can we copy and paste. Today we are going to learn how can we apply bullets. Start a bullet list. It is a bullet list. Here is many types of bullets. If you select any one bullets you want to apply in your text. For example, I want to apply this. Select this bullet. Now we write here. For example, first I write input devices. Input devices. Go to next line, click on the enter. Input devices. Which are the input devices? Keyboard, next mouse, next joystick, like this. Now we write output devices. Output devices. Click on enter button. Now go to bullets. Select bullets type. For example, I want to apply this. Now output devices. Monitor. Press the caps lock key for small letters. Monitor. Enter. Next line, monitor. Speakers. Printer. Student, what we learn today? Today we learn how can we apply bullets in the text. Hope you will understand how can we apply bullets in the text. Now it's your homework. Practice of bullets. Write any 5 input devices and 5 output devices with the and using the bullets. During the practice, record your video and send me on WhatsApp group. Student, we will meet in next video. Take care. Allah Hafiz.